In this short video, we will learn how to use catwalk content on pop fashion site. On this toolbar, click Catwalks. Here you can see all the looks from the Big Four and other important fashion weeks. We upload images around the 3 days after the runway show. Designers can find all pictures from one site, saving hours of research time. Use the filter to select gender, season, region, type, and brands. You can also type in brand name and find the one which you are interested in. Click brand cover, come to the detail page, and find all about this collection. You can zoom in, download, and save to My Studio. Click this button to download all pictures as a raw package. If you want to search by specific product category on the catwalk, come to the style and click Catwalks. Here you can search by industry, item, color, style, and element, because we tag every picture and make sure you can locate the picture easily. Now we will try with the sweatshirt. Here you can download, save, and see detail in the pop-up window. The similar pattern button here will help you choose study more. And with this color analysis button, you will see the proportion and pattern numbers of the main colors. For in-depth catwalk reports, come to Analysis column, where we present short-term forecast reports for current event, and click Catwalk. Again, select with filters. You will see runway analysis of all leading brands. Click the report cover and read about its concept, key item, key fabric, and other highlights. In comprehensive reports, you will find various of charts about the proportion of items, crafts, and styles from all catwalks in their season, so that designers could gain a vision of all the situation for better design development.